right, YouTube, first things first, y'all see the title of this video, all right? One thing's for sure, two things for certain. T-Banks ain't finna talk about me, though. He not about to talk about me, though. You know what I'm saying? T-Banks has a couple of things to say. You know what I'm saying? I'm not about to jump on here without a haircut. So first things first, I gotta go get a haircut. Come back, this is what I'm looking like right now. He not about to talk about me, though. You know what I'm saying? I could go get my haircut right now and they ain't pay $3.99 for it. I ain't gotta pay nothing. You know what I'm saying? So meanwhile, let me go back, let me come back, let me do what I do, We back. And just like that, we back. We back with a fresh haircut. You know what I'm saying? We back. Looking good. You know what I'm saying? I know what some of y'all gonna say. Oh man, you pushed yourself back, bro. You gave yourself a haircut, but you pushed yourself back, bro. Hey, I did it for the free $99 though. Some of y'all going to pay them $60 prices getting pushed back by your barber though. I call it a PPPB, bro. You getting pushed back on a premium price, bro. A PPPB, a push back on a premium price. Let's get into the video, man. 360JEEZY. 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 All right, YouTube, before we hear what T-Banks got to say, there's a backstory to this, all right? Listen, I woke up in the morning, okay? My son Rico hit me up and was like, hey, bro, you seen this video? You know this dude? Seemed like he hating. I checked my other messages. My brother, my little baby brother, big baby brother, he bigger than me, you know what I'm saying? He was like, hey, bro, you seen this video? He texted, everybody texting me this video like, hey, yo, you see T-Banks, what he said about you? My phone blowing up. I'm like, what you, hold on, wait a minute. Hey, oh, bro, don't crash out. Relax, chill. You know how little big brothers be. You know what I mean? Relax, bro. Let me watch the video. Let me see what he say. Chill out. Relax. Let me see. Let's see.
No hair on my shit. I didn't know what the fuck. I was watching a YouTube video and said, man, I'm doing some bullshit, cuz. I was listen. As soon as COVID happened and barbershops wasn't open, I was texting barbers, yo, I need a haircut. Niggas wasn't responding. The first thing I did was go on YouTube. I went on 360.
Hey. You know what I'm saying? First thing you do when you want to look at a haircut, you 360JEEZY. That's the first thing you do. I respect it.
360JEEZY. And I fuck with 360JEEZY, but that nigga hairline is butt cheeks, my nigga.
Wait. He talking about my hairline? He talking about my hairline? You doing all that talk? Go like this, bro. Go like this.
And his early cuts was fucked up.
I hate when people be talking about like my earlier days, the come up struggle days. You know what I'm saying? Like, I'm not going to deny it, act like I'm the best barber that was coming up. You know what I'm saying? I was learning. He said my earlier cuts. Talk about what I'm doing now, though.
I ain't gonna hold you. 360JEEZY was fucking niggas up in the barbershop. I ain't gonna lie, I fuck with that nigga. That's my bro.
That's what I'm saying. I was messing with you until you said this. I was riding with you till I used to watch you and your girl, you know what I'm saying? Do them little, you know, some of them collab videos. You see me going back and forth with your girl. I used to like those videos. I was messing with
T-Banks. He showed me how to get waves and shit. But his first couple of cuts on niggas when he was in the barbershop, he was fucking niggas' hairs. All niggas was leaving with pushbacks. You know a barber you know a barber just making it in life when they say this is a professional pushback.
Not that I made it in life. That's crazy. Hey, listen, sometimes some people, they hairline, it grow like crazy on their forehead. So you gotta do a professional pushback. You gotta push them back. It ain't what we gonna do? Like line it up and then make it look hecka small right here? Nah, man. We not gonna do that.
Nigga, professional? What the fuck you mean a professional? My shit was right. Why my shit right? If I was in the army, I gotta go like this. Yes, sir. My shit, fuck, what the fuck you mean a professional cook? Talking about some y'all. I'm not pushing him back.
Nah, son. Nah. That's foul. He violated me. You gotta think. Everybody, this man T Banks is like the leader of the new school with all these young cats. You know what I'm saying? Next thing you know, I go on TikTok. Next thing you know, it's a bunch of his minions. You know what I'm saying? Little kids talking about, hey man, I ain't gonna lie, yo. What's up with 360JEEZY? I went back and watched a couple of his videos. Next thing you know, oh my God, I can't believe T Banks was real. T Banks knew what he was talking about. Man, just shut up. Y'all don't know what y'all talking about. Man, I used to think 360JEEZY was really, cause it's 360JEEZY. You know what I'm saying? 360JEEZY. Like, what do you mean? What you saw was real at the time. What are you talking about? I agree. T Banks won 360JEEZY, man. You. I wasn't even gonna say nothing. I'm gonna be honest with you. I wasn't even gonna say nothing. I said, you know what? I ain't even gonna say nothing. You know what? Let me. Next time T Banks, next time I catch him going live, I'm gonna say something. You know what I'm saying? I'm gonna just say something. So I had to press your boy. I said, hey man, somebody tell T Banks I'm looking for him.
So you're gonna take your grandmother's dentures out and use the gums?
Nah, somebody tell Banks I'm looking for him. LOL. Is that 360JEEZY?
It is.
Why is 360JEEZY actually in my chat? Is that the real three? I think that is the real 360JEEZY.
It is I. Yes.
Niggas trying to help you.
No, it's because I made a video. I said he was pushing niggas back.
My man trolling on me though. Why he laughing like this? That's what's crazy about it. Like, yeah, you know what you did. Had everybody talking crazy. I'm like, dang, this is what we doing? The Godfather? Respecting the Godfather?
Yo.
Oh, you talking about that?
Yeah. Yo, I can't believe that nigga seen that shit.
Nah, it was too many people tagging me, man. It was too many people making videos. I'm like, dang, man, why they getting on me like this? Why this younger generation they talking crazy? You know what I'm saying? Like, they done help half of you. I done help half of you guys learn how to cut y'all hair. It wasn't for me. You know what I'm saying?
Oh, yeah.
Oh, shit. Yo, give me a cut on stream, bro.
Nah, now you're trying to ask for a cut on stream, man. This is crazy work. After he done ripped, you know what I'm saying? After he done just bashed me like that, after he done just, you know what I'm saying, told everybody that I'm pushing people back. This is crazy work.
Oh, wait.
Nah, I might need to cut by 360JEEZY now.
Nah,
I think that's the real him, too. Niggas verified with 29 followers. Yeah, that's the real him.
Nah.
Let me get a cut, bro.
Nah.
Fuck me on the cut.
He's switching up on me right
Actually,
now,
can you get bombs to cut? Got bombs. Bombs. Turn your camera on right quick, bombs.
Nah, he
turn your camera on.
That is.
Turn your camera on right quick.
Nah, he violating whoever that is. I ain't gonna lie. I ain't gonna lie. Don't turn your camera on. He violating you.
I'm gonna stay at home, bro.
No, I'm gonna DM you though, 360 on IG.
Nah, DM me, man. I've been looking. I'm gonna be honest with you. I've been looking for like different content to make, like doing the same thing over and over again, like making these tutorials and stuff. It's cool, but like I do want to venture out and do some other stuff. So hit me up, man. Hit me up.
My shit good right now though. It's a whole
Nah, son. Nah, see, this is what happens when you talk crazy and then try to show off what you did. Cause the all in the back right here is crazy work. It's like straight bald back there. It's like the blend is so off, but because you did it yourself, I'm not too mad at it. But when you talk about me pushing people back, I gotta violate you right now. But like, I need everybody to notice, like, when they look at people, when they look at my forehead, all right, cool, I got a big forehead. All right, I get it. You know what I'm saying? I got a big forehead. The ratio right here is 4 head. I get it. But why don't we ever talk about the ratio right here, though? You know what I'm saying? Why don't we ever talk about the ratio right here? Because his stuff is way back here, bro. Like for real. Like why aren't we talking about that?
My shit fly?
Nah.
My shit all right though.
Nah. Cut the dreads off, bro. We gonna really see what you working with. Cut the dreads off. You gonna see that the width, you know what I'm saying? The width is crazy. We never talk about like forehead width. You know what I'm saying? We always talk about the length when it comes to forehead, but that's a heads pause.
Minoxidil demon.
316.
Nah, he really do need minoxidil though. Nah, he do need minoxidil though.
My shit cool?
Yeah.
Nah, son, cause you like way back here, man. I can't take it. Your forehead protruding. Nah.
Yeah, I mean it's cool, bro. Just gotta make sure we picking up in that minoxidil again. I'm gonna pick me up back.
You should make sure I pick up the minoxidil.
I'm saying, you know, if you stop doing minoxidil, you know, it go back to normal. So you gotta keep going.
I know.
Nah, he gotta. He gotta do something.
Your mother used to tell you to go in the bedroom while she was getting throat fucked your lip room. Oh, just chill, bro.
All right, you guys. So after that stream, it was cool. I seen another one of his videos and I was like, man, let me see what he's talking about in this video. You know what I'm saying? Because I watched T-Banks. He's kind of entertaining as far as like, it's not something I usually watch, but like his antics, his like being able to speak hecka fast and like clap back at people, it's kind of funny. I ain't gonna lie. So I seen a video where he was talking about haircuts and hairlines and stuff. He was talking about his haircut, his hairline. You know what I'm saying? They was getting on him. Let's watch.
Y'all with the hair saying, yeah, I appreciate that. I really do appreciate that, man. You need a haircut, that's it. See, that's what I'm talking about. Look, I'm gonna be honest.
Nah, he need a haircut.
Right? And I'm always gonna keep it a macaroni. I'm never gonna lie to y'all young boys. But like I told y'all, right? If like I said, look what he just said. Front taper is buns, not gonna lie.
Yo, when you on the internet and you ain't got no haircut, bro, you leaving it up to anybody to say anything. You know what I'm saying? He gonna try to clap back and say, oh man, you must like boys and all that. But nah, man. You got on here talking about my haircuts and how I push people back. Why you looking at the men like that? Why you looking at the men like that? Because you ain't even looking at me. Why you looking at other men like that? You know what I'm saying? So let's just play it.
It's okay to have an opinion, but when it gets too close, when you looking and studying the man's face, I already told you, I think you like boys. I think you want
boys.
Because one thing about me, I have looked at somebody and be like, oh, I fuck with that color. I don't fuck with that color. Oh, I don't fuck with that cut. And I went about my day. But one thing I noticed about a lot of you that watch me is that y'all look at me and y'all study me and y'all go to sleep and dream about it. I think
come on, T. I think you putting the 2 on the 10 now. You putting the 2 on the 10. They're using their eyes, they're observing what they see, and you ain't got no haircut, so they saying something about it. You trying to deflect at this point.
I think you want boys. I think you want to have a sleepover with Fleece Johnson, butt naked. I think you want boys. Because at one point, listen, it's no problem answering the question, but why do you keep looking at me? Do you like men, boy? Do you want cock?
Come on.
I already told y'all. I don't analyze other men. If my hairline, which is perfectly fine, right? Look at my hairline. It's not. I don't need to go to Turkey.
Nah, bro, you need to go to Turkey. Nah, stop the cap. Stop the cap. Just like I was saying, like his forehead ratio is way back here. So it's like your forehead is protruding. So you need to bring it up some. You know what I'm saying? Like, I'm not saying my lineup is my lineup is raw. I don't care what nobody say. My lineup is nice. You know what I'm saying? My lineup is nice. I don't care what nobody say. They can say I have a big forehead all they want. My lineup is crispy. You know what I'm saying? I can't say the same for some people. I cut hair for a living, so I know like the way I would have to bring it up.
Good. If my hairline was up, is it going to get you some money?
Nah, you change.
Is it going to change? I'm talking to your ass right there.
Nah,
Is it going to get you some money? If I need to swallow minoxidil pills, why are you studying my face? At one point, I already told you there's so many things on the internet that you could be looking at other than studying my face.
Come on, bro.
If I go on my Instagram reel feed right now, how many times have y'all seen pretty women, feet, soles, some ass? That's what I like to look at.
I mean, but you
like
deflecting on it. We looking at you. You want us to watch?
I don't like looking at men. Why do y'all like looking at men? Are you on boys? Look at my hairline. Let me look at this. Look at this.
Hey, you shouldn't have did that. Hey, you shouldn't have did that. Banks, you shouldn't have.
Look at this. No, listen though. It is gonna look right. It's gonna look a little slanted on camera. It's not slanted though. On God, it's not. Listen, on God, my hairline is real right. I look in the mirror right now.
No, you gotta go to the mirror to verify. When you gotta go to the mirror to verify. When you ain't confident, you can't just look in the camera. You gotta go to the mirror to verify. Oh, you fried.
God is not slanted. A camera, listen, a camera can't show a hairline straight. No, it's not cooked.
A camera can't show the hairline straight. Bro, my lineup is straight, bro. What you talking about? A camera can't show a hairline straight. That's cap, bro. I cut hair. You know what I'm saying? For a living. I film it. I use my camera. This man is cap, bro. Trying to say the camera can never show a hairline straight. Nah, son.
I swear to Jesus. Yo, y'all not listening. Y'all not listening. Listen. Your hairline can't, like on cameras, on God, my hairline is not slanted in real life. On cameras, it can't show something straight. Cameras are circular on lenses like this. Everybody knows this. Yo,
only person that knows this, only person that want to seem like they know this is you, bro. Nah, everybody knows this. No. When you got a regular camera like his, it's gonna show it straight. Now, if you're talking about fisheye, or you talking about a different focal lens, but a basic camera lens like he got, bro, this shows it straight, bro. This is real. This is the truest to real life it gets, bro. What are you talking about?
Everybody knows your hairline on cameras. Cameras are like the earth. It has to.
Well, you gotta explain like that. It's great.
Hold on, y'all.
Nah, son, when you gotta explain like that, it's a wrap, bro. T-Banks, you fried. Hey, hit me up though. For real though. I want to do different content. Hit me up. I got you on the cut. I'm out, y'all.